Good morning, world. It is a beautiful day. What a beautiful morning. The sun is shining, the birds are singing. It's a perfect day.
John, Bella, Penny, time to wake up. Breakfast is ready. I love my family, my daughters, my husband, and my life.
Good morning, my dear sister. Today is the day we go to school. Are you happy? Yes, I'm so happy.
Did you sleep well, girls?
Yes, Daddy.
Eat your breakfast. We need to go to school soon.
Wow, Pant is delicious, Mommy. Thank you.
So, are you ready for school?
Yes, Mom. We're excited. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Yeah, spit now, like this. Okay, all done. Yay. Where's Daddy? I don't know. Let's find him after we brush. Okay, let's hurry.
Here are your backpacks, girls.
Yay! Thank you, Daddy. I love it.
You're welcome. Now put them on.
Are we almost at school, Daddy? Yeah, is it almost time?
Almost there, girls. Just a little bit longer.
I'm so excited to go to school. Me too, little sister. I wonder if Mom and Dad are already outside waiting for us.
Come on, girls. It's time.
The time has finally come. You look beautiful.
Let's go, my girls, so we won't be late.
Come on, dear. Where are the girls?
They're coming.
Ready for school, girls? Don't forget your bags.
We're ready, Mom and Dad.
All right, seatbelts. Ready for the park?
Yes. Let's go.
Yay, the park. I want the swings.
Everyone ready? Okay! Let's go! Ready for your first day of school, girls?
You're gonna have so much fun.
That's the spirit!
We're so excited.
Here we go, family road trip!
Thanks, Mom.
My turn next. Of course, sweetie.
Are we almost there? Yeah, are we there yet?
Almost, just a little further.
Just be patient, we're close. I can't wait for our first day. Me too. I hope we see our friends and meet the new teacher. It's gonna be so much fun. Wow, look at all the trees. And that house is so pretty. This is the best ride ever. This is going to be the best day ever.
I know. I'm so happy.
Me too. Let's go.
Have a great day at school, girls!
Listen to your teachers, okay?
Well, here we are, the Rainbow Learning Center. This is your new school, girls.
It's wonderful. You're gonna make so many new friends here.
All right, girls, time for us to go.
You two will stay here and have lots of fun.
We'll be back later. We love you. Bye-bye, girls.
Bye-bye, sweethearts. Bye-bye.
Can you believe it? Our girls' first day.
I know, it's exciting, but I'll miss them.
Me too, but they'll love it.
They will, our little ones.
Let's dance! This is so fun. Yeah, faster. Whee!